Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how to share line styles in Revu. Let's see how it works. After opening Revu 21, create a blank PDF from the File menu at the top. Now select the line markup and create a random line to access line style properties. Next, go to the Properties panel and click the Style dropdown. Scroll to the bottom. You will see there is only one line style set saved. Click the Manage option to share line sets. To share your line sets, select your desired line set and click the Export button. Watch our separate video to see how to import or export line sets. If your team members have shared their line sets with you, click the Add button to add them in your Revu desktop app. Uncheck the New option by clicking the existing option. Then hit the three dots button to add line sets saved in your drive that your team member shared with you as .blx file. Select the line set you want to add. Now, here, your line set is added to your Revu app. You can do the same by importing your line set. You can watch our video tutorial to learn how. Click OK once you are done. Now make sure your line is selected and go to Line Style Properties, where you can find your newly added line sets at the bottom. Click your newly added line set, and your line will be modified accordingly. This is it for today. Watch other video tutorials of this series to understand how to add or modify line styles in Revu 21. For more Revu tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.